Hi everyone, welcome back. This is Raju from Smart AI Technologies. Today we are going to see how to detect weather based on the image captured, pushing that to our deep learning model and get the result of our live weather, that is very accurately, more than 99% accurately. Why we are going in this direction? There are already so many ways. So there are so many ways where we use sensor data to detect the live weather, and we'll try to present it. So why we are going with image processing and what are the failures are there? So let me show you. Okay, some of the IEEE papers I will show you first, and we'll see how they are working on it and why they are not working on images. Okay, there's some missing thing is there, so we are filling that thing. Okay, everyone are going with sensor data and building machine learning model, and they are pushing data of sensors to that machine learning model, and they are getting the predicted result. This is what many people are doing. They may be going with some different approaches, maybe some deep learning models, but the way the data they are capturing is the same. So in our case we are trying bit different, that is we are trying to capture image of that location, and we say what is the condition there. So in case, okay, where this will be very helpful, in which case it will be very helpful. Okay, so we can't say like ours is universally applicable. It is universally applicable, but where it will be more used. Okay, for example, in deserts, in there the random change of climate will happen. Suddenly sandstorm will come, suddenly like something will happen. Okay, so in that case, okay, so these sensors may fail. Okay, they may misbehave. So in that case, if we are going with image, okay, if you are deciding something, whether something using image is just like a human being, how we do that using our eyes, so it will be more accurate. That we'll see in our result. So that first I will show you how it's working, our application is working. Okay, so this is the website. Here I am not, at present I am not making it as a live data. Okay, if you want live, you can create some API which can capture the image from the cam and which will feed to here. But here I am, first time I am making it manually, so you can manually choose some so glaze I will give. Let me check. So it says the weather is glaze. You can see here I trained with so much of used data set, so it's working more properly. Even I will show you the data set which I am using. Okay, so here is the data set. In this data set there are nearly 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 classes, and especially the most important thing is you can use fog, smoke, okay, and sandstorm. These conditions are very dangerous, okay, for driving and all these things. So these situations to be handled. Okay, you can see for sandstorm I have trained with these images. From deserty areas. Okay, these are almost from deserty areas. So using deep learning model will be more accurate, and it will solve a lot of problems where working of sensors sometimes are, there are some problem with sensors where they misbehave. Okay, like that will happen, but this will give us proper, very proper, nearly 99 to 100% accurate data. So we can select rainbow, can select sandstorm. We'll check with sandstorm. Okay, some random image, check it. You can see sandstorm, and even we can make it in real time by capturing the real time images after 2 minutes or 1 minute continuously. And this data, if it is a sandstorm, that data will be fed to database. That database can be checked. Okay, or if there is a sandstorm, it can create an alert, or it can pop up a sound saying, okay, in this area there is a sandstorm coming. Okay, So it will be very helpful if you are a research fellows or students or some you have some ideas, okay, where you want to work on deep learning or machine learning model which can help you to boost up your resume. You can take these applications. Actually, you can work on these applications. If you want data set and also code, let me know, and you try to contact our team. The number is given below. Even we have a business WhatsApp, you can message there, so we will be helping you with these things. Okay. For this I used, for front end I used HTML and CSS. For back end I used Flask. Okay, Flask API I used, and in middle of it, to create this model to predict this machine learning, I just used multiple models to test. Actually, among them my results were good at ResNet 50 by using transfer learning. We can go with some other good models. Well, not only transfer learning, you can build your own deep learning model. If you want, you can go with machine learning models also. Okay, but the main thing comes here is image processing should be used. Okay, image data should be used to predict the weather. We can make it live. So if you get some extra ideas from this, let us know in the comment. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. Okay.